These plastic pieces had a soft touch coating on them. Over time, this coating starts to fall off. Hello everyone, today we're going to be working on this 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. We're going to be replacing the multi-function switch. This will be our replacement port, WVE Vehicle Electronics. We have used this brand in the past. It has been of excellent quality and we have never had any problems with it. The first step will be to remove this plastic that holds everything together. Now most people will try to take this from the top, but I recommend that you always take it off from the bottom. In case you do scratch the surface, it will not be noticeable and will not affect the user experience. So here at the bottom we see that there is a line running across this section. We will try to access it from there. Once the tool is inside, simply push forward. Instead of using screws, Volkswagen opted to use these plastic pieces as a lock. Here we can see the function of the trim piece. Now that the lock is removed, we may push upwards. We can now disconnect this electrical connector by pushing down on this mechanism. One tip that I do want to give you is before you start taking things apart, you should check that the connector is the same. On some cases, it does change from time to time. So make sure that everything works on it, that the windows go up and down. The multi-function switch is held down by 3 screws. These plastic pieces had a soft touch coating on them. Over time, this coating starts to fall off and it looks like it's dirt, but it's really not. We will now remove the soft touch plastic coating with some rubbing alcohol. And we're gonna use this Scotch-Brite. I'm not really sure what this is called. The rubbing alcohol and Scotch-Brite method, it did work. However, getting into really tight spaces, just the best solution was just to use my nail. Now you must be careful not to overdo it, because in some cases, such as this one, if you overdo it, you will see that you'll actually start peeling the paint away. There is no need to over tighten this. It is just a regular screw against the plastic surface. To put it back into its place, it is easier if you do it at an angle. And now all that is left to do is to simply install this trim piece back.